Good morning, Vietnam, or from Vietnam. Yeah, I'm feeling loads better today. It's been a rough 4 days, 2.5 days of those have been spent mostly just in bed, trying to get better. And thank God, I'm feeling good again today. So, we're setting off. Where are we off first, Pete?
War Remnants Museum.
Yep, that's where we're going first. Yep. The War Remnants Museum is one of the best things to do. And that's where we're heading first. Crazy traffic in Vietnam. The funny thing is, nobody crashes into each other. I've not seen one accident. The War Remnants Museum is right there. Looking forward to this, see what, I presume this is going to be from the Vietnamese side of the war. Pippin says you can come on the path. Crazy. As you can see, it's 40,000, which is about £1.20, yeah, to get in. 32,000 is a pound, so again, very good value for money. Just in Cambodia was paying like $6 to get in, weren't we, places?
In some places.
Which is about 4 or 5 quid. Yeah, $10 in some places. Right, let's go. Okay, we'll start off inside. The War Remnants Museum in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Start with aggression and war crimes. Of course, the picture you're going to see in a minute is world famous, so pause that screen to read that. Fits for this picture down here. Of course, look, that's the picture we all know. So these are just some victims of the chemical attacks, what was said from the napalm bombs from the Americans. And also there's another, you can see that other famous picture, top left there. Is there anything on there? Oh, Colt 45 gun. I wondered if there was any information on that guy who actually got shot. Time to go look outside now. Done the inside part. Some serious weapons here. Artilleries, tanks, helicopters, bombs. One of the biggest bombs I've ever seen. So there they are from front on. That's an M48A3 tank. And that is a CH-47 Chinook. Now these are the ones, like when you watch the films of Vietnam War films, these are the ones you recognise, isn't it? Like the gun hanging outside where they're just firing away. In the movies anyway. So that's the War Remnants Museum done. Good, Pete?
Oh yes, I really like, because like I said, I like military things, so...
Yeah, this is one of the best, isn't it? Yes, it's put away, it's put across from the Vietnamese point of view. Everyone's bad in war. The Vietnamese is putting across how bad the Americans are, using all the weapons and that. So it's all from their point of view, isn't it? But yeah, it's really good to see it from their point of view, because all we get told really is our point of view, yeah, the American point of view. So yeah, highly recommend a visit here for £1.20. You're not even wasting your money, it's fantastic. So now we're gonna pop to the Hard Rock Cafe for a drink, get a t-shirt. Yep. Right, let's head to the Hard Rock Cafe then. The War Remnants Museum in Ho Chi Minh City. Done. Me and Pete have been saying how cheap we find Vietnam, don't we?
Yeah.
Compared to Thailand and Cambodia.
Museum here like £1, even, like, not even £2, and in Cambodia you pay like $5-6, even
Yeah.
10.
It's not just that though, it's the food and the drink. Everything just seems so cheap in Vietnam. I thought it'd be one of the dearer countries, to be honest, but surprised, aren't you, how cheap
Yeah,
it is?
Yeah, I was thinking it'd be more expensive.
We've hardly spent any money, have we? Nothing. The most we've spent is £50 for a trip tomorrow, for all day. So this is the last new Hard Rock Cafe of the trip for Pete. The fourth one of the trip, Koh Samui, Siem Reap, Phnom Penh, and here. Right, let's go have a look. Time for a nice cold drink, I think. You've not got one like that? Cool, so just a plain one. You don't really, you just buy the designs really, don't you? We've arrived, it's a bit off the main roads in the quiet streets. The future looks nice on the outside. I think you go into the whole house to the top and everything, and it's got all different rooms in it. Apart from that, I'm not 100% sure what it is, I just know it's highly rated to do, but it's very quiet. What's that say? Warmly welcome, the museum.
Room, yeah, the cinema room. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so welcome you to visit our museum. This is the first private personal vessel museum in Vietnam, or Pito Museum. Pito in Latin, this means herb missile plant.
So you can have a guide or not, we chose just to have a look around at our own pace. Pete's been given these boards.
So
Just tells you about every room.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's like 3 boards there.
Yep.
So let's have a look around. The Pito Medical Museum. Some good views from up here. Let's go around here. Oh, yes, maybe we shouldn't, but hey ho. Oh wow. You can see the smog here as well, can't you? Look over there, you can only just see that building there.
Oh yeah, that's a good view.
That's smog, isn't it? Same as in Bangkok, that. Pollution. That's what that is. And back round here. Don't think we should have gone round there, but we ain't got a guide. Tell you what, it's stunning, isn't it?
Yeah.
Absolutely stunning. That's why I wanted to come here, because I've seen pictures of the house on the internet and how beautiful it looks. Again, looking out onto the city. You even got them coming up there, Pete, look.
Oh yeah.
Bit of a glare on the camera there. So Pete's just said this is our old pharmacy store would have looked in the day to get your your homemade remedies, backache or whatever you're suffering from. What does that say? Tradition, the model of northern pharmacy, yeah. So there's your weighing in. What's that, the mortar and pestle kind of thing, yeah, where you mix it or roll it up. So here's some of the big jars filled up. What Don't know what them at the top is. And down here, I think, if you look in that one, snake wine. Oh, you get a drink of tea as well. What kind of tea is it? All right.
Really good for the liver, toxic, and for digestion.
That's for you.
Yeah, that's for me.
Good for head salad.
What do you think? Not for me. So that's the list of our morning things done. We're going to head back to the hotel now for a couple of hours, and then we're going to head back out about 4:30, 5 to we're going to choose the best Sky Hotel's rooftop bar and head there for a couple of hours till it gets dark. So I'll see you all in a bit.
Oh yes. Bye.
Yep. I'll see you all in 2 or 3 hours time. As you can see, we're all freshened up, changed, shaved, new clothes. We're heading to a place called The View Rooftop Bar. It's about 4:30, sunset's around 6, half 6. So hopefully we will get there in time. Just need to flag a taxi down, heading to the The View Rooftop Bar in Ho Chi Minh City. Right, let's get a taxi. So we've arrived, The View Rooftop Bar, 9th floor. What we used to, 62nd floor, and
Yeah.
not in this city, the 9th floor. So let's see if we can go get a good seat, eh?
Yeah.
One thing I will say, what street is this? Beyond View Street or something?
Yeah,
I
that's
can't-
the famous one from different
Is
places.
it a tourist street?
Yeah, Walking Street is called. Yeah.
Because as soon as we caught the taxi down the road,
And I see
the
that
amount
sign.
of Westerners
Yeah.
in this area compared to where we're staying.
And have you seen that sign on the entrance? It says Walking Street.
Walking Street. Yeah, the amount of Westerners on this street, I thought it might be popular. I didn't know it was like the main street, but you can tell. So the building you walk into, the View Rooftop Bar, is on top of the Duc Viong Hotel. So that's the building you want to come in. Entrance over there, straight in, turn left. And there's your lift. Right, let's see what it's like, Pete. This is the View Rooftop Bar in Ho Chi Minh City. Some great views. Pete's just going to have a look, see if the view's better over there or not. Let's see what he thinks. Over there. That's where I've just been stood down there, but Pete came to take these 2 seats out, as I've shown you. Yeah, fantastic view. Straight from behind there. Very, very nice. That's where we came in down there, on that street. What do you reckon, Pete?
Oh yes.
Good. Fantastic, isn't it? It's a nice little place. Very nice. Yeah, really like this place, so I'm going to order a drink now. I don't know if there's a menu anywhere. So the sun's setting. What time is it, Pete? It's due to set at 6:03, but they're usually a bit wrong.
6.
Oh, so it's 10 past now, so it's going down. Time lapse has been going for about 25 minutes. So I would say within the next half hour it'll be dark. Sets quite, when the sun actually goes down, it sets quite quick here in Asia. Oh yeah. See you in a bit when it's a bit darker. How's your chips, Pete? Spicy?
Yeah, nice.
Another drink?
You don't go?
Red berries cider, nice.
Yeah, I like it. That's why I ordered another.
Yeah. Get that in England, can't you?
Yeah, but still not the same as Copperback. Copperback ready are better.
Recording. You like them, don't you? Yeah. Right. See you in a bit. What a great view this is. Just getting dark now. Fantastic view over Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Busy traffic below us. Looking fantastic at night from the rooftop. The sun has truly set now. The street's bustling down there. Yeah, looking good sunset, Pete. Well, nice in the dark, isn't it?
Yeah.
Looks great. Nice place to come, the view. Get yourselves here if you come to Ho Chi Minh City. Get to see a nice meal, nice drinks, and get to see a view like this. So that's that done. Good time, Pete?
Oh yes.
Good views?
Nighttime beef, yeah.
Yeah, very good, isn't it? It's really good watching it get dark. But once it gets dark, it's about time to leave because there's not much to see when it's dark, is there?
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
That's right,
yeah.
but watching the sun go, well, you don't actually see the sun go down, but watching it get dark is great, isn't it? In any capital city, but yeah. We're going to head out now, quick walk down this street and get a cab back, and then we'll round the day off. That's the end of a good day in Ho Chi Minh City. Tomorrow is going to be even better. We've got a day trip to the Cu Chi tunnels with a firing range. I'm hoping we can get on that. And then we've got a trip along the Mekong River. In that bar, we had 2 beers. Pete had 2 Strongbow ciders, so they're imported. I had a Coke. You had chips,
Yeah.
and I had fish and chips. How much?
Was 640.
In English?
English it was about
18
18
pounds.
yeah.
18 pounds for all that on a rooftop bar in a massive centre like this, city centre. I'd hate to think how much that would cost in England. That's,
In London, it's like 50.
yeah, that was brilliant value, wasn't it? Yeah, good day though, Pete.
Oh yes. Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
very good,
Tomorrow,
wasn't it?
for tomorrow will be busy.
Yeah.
Because starting 7:30.
Yeah, we are.
And on a plan it says finish 6-7 afternoon.
Oof, yeah. So tomorrow's our last day in Ho Chi Minh in Vietnam before we travel back to Thailand for a week, which I'll go into more on tomorrow. But thanks for watching, everyone. I'm glad I'm feeling better. Today's been fantastic. Yeah, 4 days feeling ill, 2.5 of them in bed. Today back to normal. So thanks for watching, everyone. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and
Bye.
bye bye. There's our hotel across the road, the TTC. So that's where we're off to go get some beauty sleep. See you in the morning.